Good morning, students. Welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 9 Economics, Chapter 1, The Story of Village Palampur. The first part of this chapter was already taken in the last class. I hope all of you studied very well those topics and you all performed very well in your test paper. Let us recollect the content learned in the previous class. What is the main productive activity of the village Palampur? Yes, farming. Then what are the four requirements of production or factors of production? Land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Today we will discuss another topics like land is fixed. Is there a way to grow more from the same land? Will the land sustain? Now we will begin with our first topic, land is fixed. Farming is the main productive activity of the village Palampur. Around 75% of the people are dependent on agriculture or farming for their livelihood. This includes farmers and farm laborers. The welfare of these people are closely related with the farm production. Farming in Palampur. Land is fixed. This is the most important feature of land. Farming is the main occupation in Palampur and 75% of people are dependent on farming for their livelihood. They can be farmers or farm laborers. But since 1960, there is no expansion in land area under cultivation. Therefore, some wasteland has been converted to cultivable land and now there is no further scope to increase land area under cultivation. The standard unit of measuring land is hectare. That means one side is equal to 100 meters. Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Palampur would resemble a village of the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. All land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle. During the rainy season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. These plants are used as cattle feed. It is followed by the cultivation of potato between October and December. In the winter season, fields are sown with wheat. From the wheat produced, farmers keep enough wheat for the family's consumption and sell the surplus wheat at the market at Raiganj. A part of the land area is also devoted to sugarcane, which is harvested once every year. Sugarcane is in raw form or as jaggery is sold to traders in Shahpur. In short, farming is the main activity in Palampur. Then 75% of the people are working in the field and farmers. But there is constant rise in population, so the wasteland are converted to cultivable land. Now there exists no land to convert to cultivable land. The standard unit of measuring land is hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. Is there any way to grow more crops on same field? Yes. If we use modern inputs like HYV seeds, what do you mean by HYV seeds? High yielding variety seeds. Fertilizers, modern farm machinery, pesticides, irrigating using modern facilities like canals, pump sets, electricity, dams, etc. I hope all of you understood the concepts clearly. Children, please note that the corresponding URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this class. Make use of all these available resources and study well Attempt the test paper without fail.